Yeah, hello everyone. So welcome to our YouTube channel Coding Insights by Kiran. So in this video we'll discuss about previous video we are discussing about this Python, how to download the Python. So in this video we'll discuss about installing that IDE. So while working on the Python, so we need that IDE, right? Integrated Integration Development Environment. So it should contain the interpreter and all the details. So for that, so currently there are many are there, you can write in the notepad and you can compile and you can execute as well. So for this tutorial I'm using that mostly on the Visual Studio Code. So it is an open source, it is very good for the developers. So yeah, so this is the website, and you can go for this website and you can download this Visual Studio Code, which is from Windows or Mac or Linux. You can download it and you can install that based on that bits, x64 bits. You can download it. Okay, if you download it, it will download. So for me, it is not required. So I already installed that Visual Studio Code. So you can download and you can install it. It's pretty straightforward. You can click install next, 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 next. That's it. So this is how we can install that Visual Studio Code, and we can start working on that to run the Python programs. Okay, there is a one more called as a PyCharm. PyCharm is only for to write the code for only for Python programming language, but Visual Studio Code we can write in the Angular or React or TypeScript or JavaScript. But PyCharm is especially designed for only for Python programming language only. So if you go here, the Python, the only Python ID you need, just you need to go to the download and you can download it. Yeah, it's a very simple, straightforward, pretty straightforward. Okay, either exe or ARM64, you can download it and you can install, and it should be the script. It's a IntelliJ plugin, right? In the JetBrains. So the same look and feel will be the same for the like IntelliJ only. Yeah, this is the one more IDE we can use for our development. So if you go to the pricing, actually this is not the free. Actually, if it is a Python Charm Pro, this is, see, for organizations this is $299. For individual use, it will be like this. There is something called as special categories. You can ignore this for communities. So for students and the teachers, this should be the free. Okay, you can download it and you can use it. Okay, for non-academic characters, educators also it will be free. For developer recognition program, it will be free. Yeah, yeah. So this is how the one more IDEA you can use for the development purpose. Okay, and there is something called as a Jupyter notebook. So the many people use that Jupyter notebook as well to start the working on this Python programming language. If you go to the Jupyter, there is something called as a install Jupyter and try it on the browser also. Okay, so if you try it on the browser, it will be tried and you can run on the programming. So just this Jupyter is only for the small programs, not for the if you want to run in online. Let's say, let's try this. I also didn't try. Let me try this. Okay, Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Ola. Let me go to the Jupyter notebook in the browser. We'll see that introduction. It is logging. Okay, blah blah blah. It is there. Something something. You can go this. Yeah, you can go here and go console. You can type console. It is giving the C++ and Python. Okay, give that me as Python. Correct. So it will give the kernel. Okay, it will give the terminal. You can type and you can execute the code. Go to Python. Select. That's it. So it will give. It will give an online editor. Okay, see. Let me say print. Welcome to Python programming. Let me try this. Execute. See, welcome to Python programming. If you want to execute again, print welcome to coding insights for Python programming. Let me click on run. See, like this it will be used. But if you want to write the block of code or a piece of code, then it should be go for the PyCharm or Visual Studio Code. Okay. So I already installed the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Let me create a new folder. Open folder. Let me go to the education sessions. Let me create a Python new folder. Python. I am selecting this as a Python. Okay. So the Python is opening as a folder. Okay. Now I'll create a file. I trust this as author. Create a file. Hello.py. Okay. So it will give the control I to to auto copilot. Copilot is already integrated. It will give the auto suggestions. So let me escape. Okay. Print. Welcome to welcome to the Python programming. Okay. Let me save this. And if you want to execute, there is something called as a terminal here. So you can go run and open the terminal, or you can give control shift the terminal open. Okay, you can select either PowerShell or command prompt or git bash. Anything you can select. Okay, let me select the git command prompt. Okay, so how you can run this? Python hello.py. See, this is how we can execute the Python files. Yeah, the same way it will work on the PyCharm as well. Okay, PyCharm is JetBrains. It's coming from the JetBrains. It has a community edition, ultimate edition also. You can use the community edition for the free for students and the teachers and yeah, for everyone. Yeah, we'll continue with the this series, and we'll discuss in detail everything with the in-depth fundamentals. So for this, if you learn these fundamentals, it would be easy to learn for the AI. So this is the first initial step. Yeah, thanks everyone. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and your family. So that would help to others also to learn the Python programming. Yeah, please share and subscribe. We'll connect in the next video. Yeah, thank you.